Hello YouTube. Today I would like to show you how to install Raptor lights on a Toyota 4Runner. It looks cool. Many people actually installed. So I thought, okay, let me give it a try. Here is my 5th gen 4Runner, and here I'm actually going to show you how to install Raptor lights on the front grille. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, and I truly appreciate that. Thank you. So I purchased this Raptor lights from Amazon. This is how actually it looks like once I installed it. Install was very easy, and I'm actually going to walk you through every step which I actually took to install this one. This is the light which I actually got. And actually I got it from Sevak Medinan. If you look up in Facebook, he's one person actually runs Toyota 4Runner groups and stuff like that, and this is a very quality light. I'm just trying to test fit it. See, those ones, it has to be perfectly aligned, otherwise it will not look good. Sorry for my camera angle there. Yeah, I'm trying to actually push it, and it has to be perfectly fit, otherwise it may not look good. So just take a look, just closely watch it, what I'm doing. So one went in, looks like okay. What I have done, I have actually kept 4 lights there instead of 3. So since mine is a limited version, I have the Toyota emblem in the middle. I thought, okay, let me actually keep the 4 lights instead of 3. And actually it looks great. It looks different, and I like the looks, and I've seen people looking at it, and it looks great. 4Runner is a big SUV, right? So it looks very good on that. I have a Toyota FJ Cruiser as well. I did exact same thing on my FJ Cruiser. It looks great on that vehicle as well. So here I just did a dry fit just to see how it looks like on my 4Runner grill. Here I'm actually going to start it. This clips is very easy. You just push on it on the top, and it just pops right off. So it is easier. It is actually a good way to take this complete flap off when you are installing that lights. The only reason is that it will give you more access to the back of the grill, and it is very easy to take that flap off. There are no screws, nothing. Basically those push on stuff. And these Raptor lights are actually less than 50 bucks or so, or maybe 50 or 100 bucks, I don't know. But those are really nice ones. I certainly like the look of that one. And especially I live in Canada, there is too much snow and fog and stuff like that. So I want to make sure my vehicle is actually coming. I want other drivers to know my vehicle is actually coming against them, or actually just on the road, sharing the road. So this I found this is a good way to do that. And it's orange light, so it is okay. Where I live in Canada, it is totally fine to drive with an orange light in the front. I think if it is in the red or anything like that, red or blue or anything facing front, yeah, then it is a different thing. Make sure that you won't drop that push pins somewhere else. Keep it somewhere safe, because you need that once. Then looks like that I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, about 12 or 13 of them. It's very I haven't actually edited the video or anything like that, because I just want to show you what exactly I'm doing, and not missing anything in between. These are the lights actually. The sockets actually comes back, 4 of them, because I have 4 lights. And here is actually the wiring harness came with that. As you can see, positive and negative, it is actually splitting off to 4. As you can now imagine, it actually goes here. I actually purchased a fuse as well, just to make sure that it is safe. I'm holding camera in one hand and trying to push that in. It is very easy. It is just a plug and play. It's just you just push that plug in. And it is weatherproof as well. You're not going to short or any fuse if you are actually installing it properly. I have seen some people running wires through that one. Below that, it's a good place to actually hide wires. So you can just push it up and just pull it off. It comes right off. I think I have run actually that wires through that way. I had this video for a long time. I am just doing this video after about 1 year or so. I just want to make sure that the product is working and is working great. That's a few spokes which I am showing you. Here is the way you can actually pull that one. This is your firewall. You have to make sure that you safely make a you are actually pulling that one line to the fuse box, just to make sure that it is not going to short on you. Sorry, I'm just running back and forth, I guess. Or I'm actually trying to find out where exactly that is coming from. That is the firewall. And when you make a cut on it, make sure that you don't cut anything else, because all the main wires come through that one. So be careful. Take your time to pull that wire through. Here, this is what actually I use. This is some type of pin. I don't know. I have a rust protector, electronic rust protector. That's what you are seeing there, over there. Your vehicle may not have that. See, just like this, you push it in. And now the wire is inside your cabin. You really don't want to actually connect directly to the battery, right? If you connect directly to the battery, the lights will be always on, which you don't want. Just to support it. You can actually get it from anywhere, Home Depot or anything. This is actually a clipper. It is very easy. You just connect that, just push it in, press it down, and it actually connects very strong. Always try to hook it on a fuse. In that way, if anything goes wrong, you don't know the products, right? Whatever products you buy, electronic products you buy to install or off-road products, it has to run on a fuse. You can do it without it too, but you are taking a risk there. Here you need a number 10. Then open up the fuse box, and you can actually find any free slot and actually plug it in. Okay, so the 4 wires are connected to 4 lights, and you actually took the other end and put it in and actually plugged it to a fuse, and you connected it directly. Here I am trying to turn on the vehicle just to see the lights are coming on or not. And yes, it is actually on. And it will turn on only when the vehicle is in running. Otherwise it won't actually turn on. Here I'm actually trying to make sure that you put all the wires through, hide the wires in a good way so that it won't look bad. As I mentioned, you can actually pull those wires through the flap which I shown you a little earlier. Just pull it through there and nobody will see. Here just push those lights in, connect those 4 wires, and again connect it to a fuse. You can actually get that for $2 or $3 from any electrical shop, or maybe Canadian Tire if you are in Canada, or if you are anywhere else, if it's a Walmart or anywhere, you will be able to get that fuse stuff. So I connected to 10, I think 20 amps, then connected to the fuse box. Pretty straightforward, no rocket science here. When you actually push this one in, you take it like this, okay? Push it from beneath. It's very easy. And then just push it in and lock it off. That way it is not going anywhere else. See, all you need to do is push it in and it is locked. That's pretty cool. I like that. So now it's all done and everything is hiding through that line and actually is coming over there, going through the firewall, coming back to the fuse box, connected to the fuse, and here you go, plugged it in. I had a lot more things planned on that fuse box. Great. And here is actually a shot of that in the night time. It's very bright. It looks very nice as well. It's very bright. I have done other 4Runner videos as well and FJ videos. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, and thanks for watching. Kindly share your comments and talk to you or see you very soon again. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. Bye-bye.